Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the tablet and landing on the exact home screen you want to change. Once there, long press an empty area for 1 to 2 seconds to enter edit mode. This reveals wallpaper, widgets, and layout options. Tap widgets to open the library and scroll to preview sizes, small, medium, large. These matter for layout. You do this now so placement and spacing are accurate. Make sure to keep one finger steady. Accidental taps will exit edit mode and force you to restart. Next, choose the widget you want and drag it from the library onto the home screen. Drop it where the grid highlights. Once placed, tap the widget if it offers configuration, link accounts, choose display options, and set update intervals so data stays fresh. Resize by grabbing the widget edges and dragging to snap to the grid. This keeps spacing consistent. Once done, move neighboring icons slightly to avoid overlap. Remember why. Proper configuration ensures reliability and reduces battery or data surprises. To finish, tap Done or press the Home button to exit edit mode and save the layout. Make sure widgets update within a minute. If a widget fails to load, remove and re-add it. That often resets permissions. Once done, clear the hosting app cache and check background refresh settings if issues persist. If the widget remains blank, restart the tablet and confirm the app is updated. One key troubleshooting tip: check app permissions for network and background activity before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.